I know a lot of you are interested in AI training jobs, and I've been sharing that on this platform. But do you know that there are jobs that you can do that has to do with AI that will pay you even more than AI training jobs? In fact, most people have been able to build businesses out of some of these jobs by simply focusing on it and making the best out of it. So I'm going to share with you 4 of those AI skills that you should focus on to be able to start making more money than you can even imagine. So the first one is AI prompt engineering. This is basically how you communicate with AI when it comes to talking to it to give you the output you need. Now, this skill in this day and time is something that almost everyone needs, because at some point you will need to talk to AI and you will need to interact with it to be able to get the desired results you want. So that is why you need AI. Take for instance, for some people that want to build an ebook, they can go to AI and say, create an ebook for me, and the AI will just randomly create something for you, and that is not going to give you the best result you want to be able to meet your goal. So to do this, to be able to get the best result you want, to be able to reach your goal, you have to give AI the role it has to play. You have to give it the task, you have to give it the context, and in some cases you have to ask it for clarification questions to be able to understand if it actually knows what you want it to do and be confident enough to give you the result you want. Now, take for instance, instead of saying create an ebook for me, you can say you're an expert book writer. I want to write a book that can help women learn how to take care of themselves, to be able to live a healthy life and be able to do whatever they need to do on their daily activities. I need this book to be 100 pages, excluding any offensive language or being biased in any form. I want you to be as honest as possible with the book and tell women bluntly what they need to know. So I need this book to have everything that has to do with women care and development and stuff like that. And then in the end, you can ask it to ask you clarification questions to be able to understand better what you want it to do before it can go ahead to give you this ebook. Now, once you're able to give this AI to especially the large language models like ChatGPT, Gemini, Claude AI, once you're able to give them this prompt, they're going to give you something that you should go through, like a question that they need to answer. It could be they want to understand the demographic of women that you want to target this book towards, or the locations of the women that you want this book to be targeted towards. So that way it can be able to create something that you can actually sell to the demographic or your target audience and be able to make money. And it's going to give you something that is valuable and it's customized to these people. That way you're getting the best result out of everything you're looking for. That is how you prompt AI tool to be able to be productive. So your inability to give it exactly what it needs to give you the best result is a handicap, and most people can actually make money by doing this, by simply creating prompts for different things and packaging them in an ebook and selling to people. And the best part is this particular skill is what will propel the remaining 3 skills that I'm going to mention on this video, so you know exactly what you are doing. Now, in addition to this, there's a trick that you can actually use to get the best prompt. Now, instead of saying create an ebook for me that I can use to talk about how women can take care of themselves, you can go to ChatGPT and tell it that imagine that he needs to create a book for women to take care of themselves, that a book that will be up to like 100 pages that will target women, maybe let's say women in the United States, or women that are working class women, or women generally, or even women that are married or women that have children. Then you ask it to give you a prompt that will give you a result that will make people want to buy this book. Now, instead of you generating the prompt yourself, ChatGPT will be able to generate this prompt for you, and you can copy and paste that prompt back to ChatGPT or Gemini or Claude AI for you to use it to create the ebook for you. So you see, in any way you try to do it, you also need to give it instruction about what to do. So that being said, that is basically how you learn how to prompt. And if you want to take this further, you can go to YouTube and then search for prompt engineering courses. There are lots of courses online that you can use to learn for free to get started with AI prompt engineering. So the next one we're going to talk about is AI content creation. This one is on the rise because businesses need AI. Some people need it for their UGC content to promote products. And the best part is these days there are lots of tools that can do wonders when it comes to producing AI related content. So all you have to do is to learn how to use these tools. And like I said, you will have to tell it what to do. What this means is that you have to be able to prompt it to give you the desired result you want. So you can go online and search AI content creation or how to create content with AI. And when we talk about content, it's not just about videos or audios. You can also use AI to make write-ups. Written content is also a content that you can use for email marketing, for social media like LinkedIn, like Thread, or even X to promote whatever, maybe your personal brand or your businesses. So that is how you can actually make more money using this AI content creation. So people that actually know how to use it to create music content are making a lot of money online by using it to maybe modify already existing music or to create their own from scratch, and they list it on places like Spotify, and when people go to listen, then they make money by so doing. So that's another thing you can do to start making money from the comfort of your home instead of doing AI training jobs. Now, the third one we're going to talk about is AI automation. This is basically where you're going to be using AI to automate repetitive tasks, things like updating your database, posting on social media, and doing research, doing competitors research if you have a business. Now, businesses are willing to pay people to come and do this because they know the importance. You're saving them resources like time and money, and even human resources in most cases. So this way, you're going to make them more efficient and do their jobs 10 times faster. So to learn how to do AI automation, you can go to YouTube and look for courses on AI automation where you can learn AI automation using tools like NSN, Make, or even Zapier. There are other tools as well that you can do, but these three are the most important ones that people use to do their jobs. So if you're interested, you can do this and learn how to do it, and you can make money by offering these services to people. And I can assure you, once the money starts flowing, it's going to be higher than the money you guys pay for AI training jobs. And the last one is vibe coding. This one is a little bit technical, but not too technical. It still requires you to tell AI to create something for you. That is why prompt engineering is very important. For this one, there are lots of tools like Anti-Gravity, there is Manos, there is Cursor, there is Base 44, where you can tell AI what you want it to do. Maybe you want it to create an app for you, or you want it to create a website. Now, a lot of people are predicting that vibe coding is something that is going to be an thing in the coming future. What it means is that if you're a developer and a software engineer and you don't know how to use AI to navigate things, then you are in a very big trouble. So what this means is if you've seen any problem that you think that you can solve by creating an app or a website that people can use to meet their needs, then you can easily vibe code this by telling this AI tools what exactly to do. You can list this app on Play Store or Apple Store and have people come and download them and start making money. Or by the time people visit your website, and you can start earning money through Google AdSense. So those are the things you can start doing. The best part is these fields are not too saturated, but I can assure you that it is going to be so relevant that it is not going anywhere. So people that take advantage of it right now are the ones that are making the most out of it. So if you're interested, please comment the one you're going to check out in the comment section. And if you found value in this video, please don't fail to like and subscribe. If you're still interested in the AI training jobs and you want to learn more, you can check out these videos to know the ones that are actually paying people and the ones you can do with just your voice. If you found value, please don't fail to like and subscribe to this channel. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.